Expenses disallowed under Section 14A of the Income Tax Act 1961 read with Rule 8D. Section 14A covers the following aspect: expenses incurred for earning an exempt income, that is, income not chargeable to tax, is not allowed as deduction. Rule 8D is a method to calculate the expenditure incurred towards the exempt income. Certain incomes like agricultural income, income of eligible charitable institutions, or income on tax-free securities like investment in RBI bonds, etc. are exempt from tax. In such a case, any expenditure incurred for earning such income will not be allowed as a deduction. For example, if loan is taken for investing in tax-free securities like RBI bonds, then interest expense on loan paid is disallowed under Section 14A. Now, if you go to see, there is a profit and loss statement of ABC Private Limited for the year ended 31st of March 2023. The sales are 70 lakh, the expenses are 55 lakhs, the interest on tax-free securities is 1 lakh, and the interest on loan for investing in tax-free securities is 50,000. So if you go to see here, the taxable income will be 70 lakh minus 55 lakhs, that is 15 lakhs. I am not considering the interest on tax-free securities of 1 lakh. Similarly, I am also not considering the interest on loan taken to invest in this tax-free securities of 50,000. So I am not considering the tax-free income, as well as I am not considering the corresponding expenditure for investing in tax-free securities. Any expenditure incurred for earning a tax-free income will not be allowed as a deduction even if the tax-free income has not accrued or arisen or has not been received during the financial year. It may so happen that expenditure is incurred in the current financial year, but tax-free income is received in the next financial year. In such a case also, the expenditure will be disallowed. Rule 8D: the expenditure in relation to income which does not form a part of the total income shall be the aggregate of the following amounts, namely, the amount of expenditure directly relating to income which does not form a part of the total income, and an amount equal to 1% of the annual average of the monthly average of the opening and closing balances of the value of investments, income from which does not or shall not form part of the total income, provided that the amount referred to in clause 1 and clause 2 shall not exceed the amount the total expenditure claimed by the SSC. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Mr. A has taken a loan of rupees 20 lakhs at interest of 10% per annum in the month of January 2023 for investment in tax-free securities. The interest expense on the loan for the financial year 22-23, that is for 3 months, because the loan was taken in January, so from January 2023 to March 2023 it was 50,000. The monthly closing balances of the loan account are as under. In January, the balance was 15 lakhs. In February, it was 17 lakhs. And in March, it was 20 lakhs. Now let us see how the disallowance is calculated under Rule 8D. The amount of expenditure directly relating to tax-free income, 50,000, this will be straight away disallowed. The amount equal to 1% of the average of monthly average of opening and closing balances. Now what is this, does this mean? You have to take the monthly average of 3 months in which you have taken the loan. That means you have taken the loan in January, so opening balance was 0 and the closing balance was 15 lakhs. So you take the average of it, it comes to 7 lakh 50. Similarly, in the month of February, your closing of January will become opening of February. So 15 lakhs plus 17 lakh, you take the average of it, it comes to 16 lakhs. Similarly, in the March month, the average comes to 18 lakh 50,000. So your total for all the 3 months comes to 42 lakhs. 42 lakhs divided by 3, as it is the average for 3 months, it will come to 14 lakhs. The 1% of 14 lakhs, that is 14,000. So total 50,000 plus 14,000, that is 64,000, will be disallowed under Section 14A read with Rule 8D. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.